Welcome, you guys. Welcome to Stung by Samantha. If you don't know who I am, my name is Samantha, and I'm bringing you fitness, fashion, beauty, and motivation to women over 40 and women over 50. Okay, let's get started today. Oh, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do, because I just did 4 videos on IGTV today. So if you like these types of videos, you're probably going to really like what I'm doing on IGTV. They're quicker. I can get my makeup look to you super, super fast. I did a makeup look on this, which, by the way, this is Kylie Jenner. Oh, this lipstick is so good. This is Kylie Jenner's lip liner and liquid lipstick in Mary Jo. Okay, let's move on. What are we talking about today, guys? Bathing suits. Oh my God. Yes, we're talking about bathing suits because I, my friends, am turning 50 in 2 weeks, and I am going to take a little vacation for myself because 50, it's kind of a big one, right? Yeah, so I thought I would show you the bathing suits that I picked up. And I will quickly tell you that I am rather a small person. I'm 5'2", but I never knew it until I saw a reflection of myself next to someone tall. I never knew I was short at all. Anyway, I'm 5'2", and I usually wear a size small, and it is hard for me to fit my body, just like it's hard for all women to fit their body in bathing suits, but we're trying to turn it around and just be happy and joyous, especially in our 50s, right? Okay, first things first, I am olive skin, but I do put a little fake tan on. And this is Airbrush Sun by Sally Hansen, and this is a darker color. And I do use this just for my shoulders because, you know, it's not that sunny here, and I like to get a little bit sun-kissed. So before I'm going to go on a vacation, or before I know I'm going to go out, I will put this on. It washes off. So, I mean, it's a gradual tan, but it will eventually wash off. So you're not committing yourself to anything. I love this, especially if I'm just going out, just to the park, and I'm like, ooh, girl, you look a little pasty. This is going to help me, especially on the parts that you kind of want to conceal a little bit. You want to put a self-tanner on. I mean, it's not for everybody, but I really like this. I find that it washes off my hands pretty easily. I put it all over my body, then I run to the bathroom to wash my hands. So yes, second thing that I got that I really want to show you is I got this Sunscreen Shimmer Lotion, SPF 30, which is pretty good for the body. I like a 30, and it was $10, and I got it at Urban Outfitters. And so if you're going to wear sunscreen, this, oh my gosh, I put too much on my body, but this glows. You know what I mean? It glows. So while you're laying there being sun protected, oh, it smells like, it smells like bananas and coconut, but it's got like a glow on it, so you're going to be shining. What? Who? Why did nobody else invent this? This should be at Walgreens on all their sunscreens. They should have like a glitter in them, because look at that. Shiny skin just makes you look a little bit more fit. It defines your muscles a little bit more, and let's face it, it just feels good. Okay, enough of the chit chat. Let's get on with the bathing suits. Okay, believe it or not, you guys, I got these suits at Old Navy. I know, unbelievable, but I did. Okay, I'm going to show you the first bathing suit that I purchased. These were all half off. That means they were $40, and I got them from half off $40. They're about 20 bucks each. Now, this is my first little suit. How cute is this? So you don't have to wear the straps if you want. So you can go strapless. It's got this ruffle, which I really like, over the breasts. It is super cute. The back does cover your butt, so it's not like going right up your butt. It does have like an open back here, which is super cute if you can see that. So you get like a pretty low dip there. So it's going to go right to the lower back. And the thing that I loved about all the Old Navy bathing suits is they have adjustable straps. Hallelujah, adjustable straps. Why don't all bathing suits have that? Because we're not all shaped the same. I'm small, so things are going to go really down low on me. I'm going to have to pull them up. So adjustable straps are great. This was a small because they didn't have extra small. They do have a little bit of cupping in here, not like a pad. It's just like a I guess a molding to give you some shape and some lift. This was a small. I don't think they had extra small. This definitely was a small, and I love it. I love it. I love it. So it was originally 40, like I said. I got it, or 39. I got it half off, and I was like, that's a deal. So instead of buying one, I bought 3. Okay, this second one. Oh my gosh, this might be my favorite. How much was this originally? This was, oh, these are extra small. Sorry, you guys, they're extra small. This was $47.99. I got it half off because the sale was half off. How adorable is this? This is full coverage in the bottom. But the thing that I love about it, it goes off your shoulders. What? But it holds the ladies in place. There is, again, a very slight cupping. It's got this band here, so it will hold the boobs. And I guess you could take the cupping out by cutting a little hole here and pulling it out, but it's like such a light molding, you may as well just keep it in. I love this. Now, the thing that I love about this is I'm going to wear this as a shirt, just like under jeans with like a high shoe. Yes, I am, because you can wear it up like this, but over the shoulder or just kind of like cap sleeve. It's like cap sleeve. So I thought that was very unusual. I love that it's got the palm leaves, very on trend. It would have been amazing if it was green or green and pink. Can you imagine? But this is keeping it classy, black and white. So there you go. So it was, again, half off, $47. So a little bit over 20. I think this was like 22 and change. And I really, really like this one. I really, really like this one. Now, my third one was a little bit more of a showstopper because, let's face it, I like to get a little wild sometimes, a little outrageous. Oh, orange! Look at this beauty! And again, straps that are adjustable. Thank you so much. You can even crisscross them around the back because they move around. These little straps move just like bras, so you can tighten it up or push the boobs. If you need to crisscross, that tends to push the boobs together a little bit more. So yes, it does have a peekaboo hole, and I was like, oh, that's not going to work for me at all. I was like, sure, it wouldn't work for me, but it actually works for me. So the thing that I like is try things that you wouldn't ordinarily wear because you never know. Just bring like a bunch of stuff. You're going into the dressing room anyway, so just try a bunch on, and you could be like so happy when something like this fits you. Can you imagine? Again, it goes deep in the back, so you get that nice deep, and it covers the bottom, so we're not like showing the whole cheeks because maybe you don't want to. Maybe you're not feeling confident like that. But you can also put like a little cover up over this, and this could also be a beautiful over jeans with like a little high shoe, a little high sandal. Just run out with a big straw hat and some sunglasses, and yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Beauty, beauty, beauty. This one was, again, size, I think, extra small. And this one was $40. So this was this one and the black one were the most inexpensive at only 20 bucks each, half off $40. Love them. I'm so glad I got them. I don't know if they still have them, you guys. They might have them online. I just absolutely love this one. The tie, oh, you might want to ask. The tie is like a fake tie. I kind of wished it wasn't because then I can zhuzh the boobs, you know what I mean, and make them tighter. But I just like pulled myself and sucked myself in this one because it's almost like shapewear. Like the thing I like about bathing suits opposed to bikinis is bathing suits are almost like you're wearing a Spanx that you can wear outside. Everybody can see you. So it just sucks it all in the stomach, just everything, nothing's moving. And you know, at our age, we don't want the shake. Well, I mean, fries go with that shake. I like a little shake, but I don't want a lot of shake. Okay, we're moving on to my fourth and final bathing suit. This one, I was so shook and shocked because I bought it at Target. Look at this. So this one is a small. They did not have an extra small. So this one, I could like it to be a little bit tighter. But it's this beautiful army green, and it's got the crisscross detailing all the way down the front, which you can be show a lot or show a little. You can be modest or not so modest. It's up to you. I really do wish they had this in an extra small, but then again, maybe it wouldn't have fit the boobs. This does have a little pad in it. It does. It's padded more than the others, just a tiny bit, and it's size small. It's a Massimo, and it was $39, but I got it for 20% off because there was some 20% off sale, so it was like $24 or something like that. Pretty good deal. The back is a little crisscross. Hope you can see this and I'm not going out of focus too much. And a good butt coverage, nice low back. You get that little low back that is so sexy and beautiful. And I totally didn't think that this would work for me. Oh, it's also got these little gold pieces at the end. You see that? I didn't actually think this was going to work for me because I would never show like that much boob ever, but the way this fits me, you know, the shoulders kind of go up this way rather than here, and so it just works for my body. I would have never thought. So try things that you don't think will work on your body and you will be surprised. Okay, so I will, yes, I'm going to show all these on from a distance. From a distance, let's just be clear, because, you know. Now, on with that bathing suit, guess what I got to go with it? Oh my God, this cute straw eyelash bag. This eye is open and this eye is closed. I got this at H&M. And it's got nice pockets in the inside. This is a little tie strap. Guess how much this bag was? It was $39 originally, but it was on sale for $4 at H&M. $4 at H&M. I was like, was that right? Yeah. I also got some hats for 50 cents. It's wrong what they do on these sales, but I'm loving it. It's wrong, but it's so right. You know what I mean? So I love this. I went back again yesterday and they had doubled the price and it was $8. So I was like, how do you go from 4 to 8? I guess they realized, maybe they saw my little Instagram and saw that everybody was rushing in to get it. And they're like, we're going to double the price. I wish. Anyway, H&M. So this is going to go with it. And then for the sunglasses, oh, for shoes, as I reach, I might just wear these little gold sandals. I got these at Forever 21, rose gold, and these were like $4, and like they were in like the double sale section, $4. Aren't they adorable? So I might wear these with that. I'm still working out my shoe situation, but one thing I know for sure I'm gonna wear are these. OMG! You guys know that I love sunglasses. I wanted a white sunglass, but they're very on trend. Everybody's wearing them right now, but I wanted something so different. I wanted like a heart. I wanted a white heart sunglass. So I'm going to just be walking around on my vacay, just like chilling in my new bathing suits and loving life, because I've got my hearts for you. So yeah, these were from Ross. They were $4.99. Love them. Thank you guys so much. This was a very quickie little video because now I got to go try them on for you. So now that's where the real hard work starts. But I hope you guys like this, and follow me on Instagram. Don't just leave. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Watch my IGTV videos and watch all my workout videos. I have over 100 free workouts, high intensity interval training workouts for women over 40 and 50 to get your body the best shape you can be at 50 or 60 or whatever your age is. All free, all done at home, barefoot, and you need minimal equipment, so I hope you guys will watch that. I also have many, many beauty videos, makeup, and styling videos, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm trying to grow my channel. I really, really, really want to get big. I want to get to 10,000, so hopefully we'll be getting there real soon. And let's get on with the lookbook of these bathing suits. Okay, bathing suit number 1. This is the black one with the ruffles, and it is a little big for me right here, you guys. You can see it gathering a little bit, and what's a girl to do? I'm wearing it with the H&M little sandals that I just love, the little gold sandals, but I could wear it with, yeah, I suppose a high shoe or anything. Here's the back. Don't look at that. Ooh, you know, give a girl a little bit of privacy. I'm just kidding. Can you imagine me saying that? Okay, so these straps, obviously you don't have to wear them. You can take them and make them strapless. You can crisscross them however you want. I need the support. Thank you very much. And yeah, so this is a bathing suit number 1, $20. It was originally $40 and it is on sale for $20. So hope you guys like that. I can't believe I'm doing a bathing suit try on. I must have lost my damn mind. That's what I'm doing. All right, you guys, check it. See ya. Okay, hi guys, this is number 2, and I have to say this might be my favorite just because it's so comfortable. I feel like I can jump up and down with it. I feel like I'm secure, nothing. I don't have to watch myself. Ooh, I gotta put my sandals on. Hold on, I don't have to like check myself that things are gonna be falling out, if you know what I mean. And super cute, very modest in the back. Do you see how it's got this cap sleeve? How cute is that? And I just love it. I think the cutest thing about this bathing suit is you could probably wear it over a pair of jeans and just be like, with a little high shoe. How cute would that be? And of course, you can throw it on with your little white sunglasses, or, sorry, I got the tag on still, with your cute little $4 bag from H&M, and you're on your way. So that is bathing suit number 2. I really do love the palms. I love it. It's super cute. Yay. Look at that. So modest. Very good coverage, covering it all up. So girls, you don't have to be worried. Okay, moving on. Okay guys, here is the orange bathing suit number 3. I had to throw it on with some white heels. Is that crazy? But I just thought, these are my Katy Perry shoes. Did you guys see? I did an IGTV video on these. I got them at Ross for $32. They were originally like $150. These are my birthday shoes. Look at that heel. Can you see it? Oh my gosh. This orange, how cute is that? Look at that. I mean, and I thought this tie wouldn't work for me, but it's actually given me a lot of support, which I need because I did breastfeed for a year and a half. Thank you very much. And how cute. Do you love it? Oh my gosh, you guys, it covers the bottom. What do you think? Hope you guys like this one. I think this is my fave. It's my fave, I think. Okay, let's move on. Hi guys, this is the Target bathing suit. Now, I think it's a little big. It's kind of like gathering a little bit, but I kind of love it at the same time. The back, see, it's a little like gaping here. Maybe if it was a little tighter, but I'm not mad. I could possibly try to fix it, but I kind of like it. So it's a little loose, so it's very, very comfortable. The tie, you can tie it however you want. And yeah, I absolutely love it. And I would never ordinarily wear anything like this. My daughter was in the dressing room with me, and she's like, Mom, you sure you want to show all that? And you know, ordinarily, no, I wouldn't, because I'm not that type of person. And plus, I know I talk a lot about working out and being your best self, but I'm insecure too. I know you guys might think that's the craziest thing you've ever heard, but I have struggled for years and years with body image and how I look and everything. You have no idea. So the fact that I'm standing in front of everybody in a bathing suit right now is crazy. And comment below if you want to like talk about it with me. But yeah, I struggled for a long time. So coming out here at 50 and showing myself, this is like a big deal for me. So I'm gonna like get myself a glass of champagne after this. But anyway, that is the look. Hope you guys love these, and I will see you soon. I gotta get dressed. I gotta put some clothes on. I'm freaking out. Show on your face. So do me a favor right now and just smile, because smiling, I mean, you can fake it. But you can just open your mouth and like fake a smile, and it'll actually send the endorphins into your brain and make you actually think like you're getting serotonin and you're happy. So just your attitude is everything, and you are in control of your attitude. So that's something that I really want to just talk to you about. Ooh, my